Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Archer Mark. Thanks for joining me and thank you so much for coming back. It's been a while, it's been a long while since I made a video in this channel, and yeah, I'm back again like I never left. And yeah, I'm good, I'm doing fine, I'm okay, and I hope you guys you are fine wherever you are. Now, today I'm going to to teach you something that I've never taught you in this Kikuyu channel. I hope you're going to enjoy this, and without further ado, let's get started. Now, today we are going to learn about beverages. We have a few beverages, and we are going to learn that in Kikuyu, how we call them in Kikuyu language. So, the first beverage we are going to start with is tea. Tea is basically called chai. Tea, chai. Well, depending from which part of Kenya you come from, maybe from Kiambu, the others come from Kirinyaga, from Murang'a, from Embu, from Meru, and all that. There are people who say sai, 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 but the thing is, it's just shy. If you want tea, you just say shy. Negera shy. Give me tea. Negera shy. Give me tea. Now, the second beverage we are going to look at is coffee. Coffee is called kahua. Kahua. I find the name kahua very, it sounds so good. It sounds so sweet, and yeah, it's, the direct translation of kahua is a flower. So coffee is basically called kahua, kahua, negera kahua. Or if you want to say give me, you say negera kahua. Maybe you are in a restaurant and you want to say give me coffee, or I want coffee. Direda kahua. Now, we have black coffee and white coffee. Black coffee is obviously without milk. Black coffee, you would say kahua. Kahua gatare na iria. Kahua gatare na iria. Basically, coffee without milk. White coffee, which is coffee with milk, you would say kahua kena iria. Kahua kena iria. Iria is milk. Iria is basically milk. And that is our third beverage. Because if you're not drinking tea, you're not drinking coffee, then you're drinking milk, or you're drinking water, or you're drinking chocolate. So our third beverage is milk, which is iria. I think I've mentioned this before in some previous videos, and yeah, this is just maybe a small repetition, but it is basically called iria. That is how you say milk. Now, the fourth beverage is chocolate, which I don't think, or I've not had a direct Kikuyu word of chocolate. Maybe one of you, or I don't know, maybe someone knows of it, but I don't think there is any Kikuyu word for chocolate, because basically it's not even a common thing in our culture. So yeah, we just say cocoa, cocoa. If you want chocolate, you just say cocoa. Now, these are some of the major beverages that we have in Kenya, or in our Kikuyu culture. So Things like latte macchiato, espresso, cappuccino, and all that, I don't think they really apply in this case. So we are not going to touch about those. Now, I wanted to look at something very briefly, and this is concerning if someone invites you for coffee or for tea. What would you say that in Kikuyu? Gwetere kahua, or tosamanie kahua, or tosamanie tonywe kahua, or tosamanie tonywe shai, tosamanie tonywe sai, or gwetere sai. Can I invite you for tea? Gwetere kahua. Can I invite you for coffee? Gwetere kahua. Inviting is directly translated in Kikuyu to gwetere or gwetuo. Gwetuo is that invitation. So you just say gwetere kahua. Can I invite you for coffee? Gwetere shai. Can I invite you for tea? That is basically just how you hold a small talk with this coffee and tea in the conversation. Gwetere kahua, or gwetere shai, or can we meet for coffee? No tosamanie tonywe kahua. No tosamanie tonywe kahua. Kusamania is to meet. Konywa kahua. Konywa is to drink. Konywa kahua. Now, this brings me to the end of this video tonight. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for listening. If you have any comments, any questions, or any suggestions, feel free to use the comment section down there. I am always reading the comments, and I would really appreciate if we can get into an active communication or interaction. This really helps me a lot to grow this channel, and it really motivates me to continue. And without wasting much time, I want to say thank you, and thank you again for all those who have been subscribing, and even the newcomers, and even those that have been with us until now. So, till we meet again, it's a goodbye from me, and see you in the next one. Bye and good night.